cleaning robot, Kitty.
It's a police car!
Exactly, Molly. Police officers protect and assist us.
What is this car?
Which cleaning tool now, Leo? The sponge will scrub it clean. What's that?
It's a fire truck!
Fire trucks aren't the only rescue team cars colored red.
Which emergency vehicle has a red cross?
It's an ambulance.
That's correct, Lucy. The ambulance transports sick people to the hospital.
It definitely has to be a fire truck!
What's next, Leo? The mop will wipe away the dirt. Uh-oh, careful, the mop is stuck. Fire trucks extinguish fires, right, Mike? Robot, don't pull too hard, it might break. Oops, mop tangled. Oh no, the robot is damaged and broken. Watch out!
Oh no! The robot is broken!
He's spraying everyone away. How do we revert him? Yikes! He's taken the rescue team's colors. That stopped him. Are you going to spray him, Mike? That tricked and caught him. Yippee, web trapped. Great job, rescue team. Whew, he's repaired.
Sorry, I've stolen your colors.
So, let's return the colors to the rescue team cars.
Choose the correct colors, Leo. Leo, are you certain they're right? Oh no, fire trucks are frozen in blue ice. The ambulance is flowery pink. And the police car is flaming orange. Leo, you've used the wrong colors. Try again. Let's verify. The fire truck has its color back. So does the ambulance. Yay! Now the rescue team is set to go.
Look at this rusty car!
But Mikey, it's not nice to laugh at other people's things. Oops, mud splat.
No.
We need to clean our cars.
Don't worry, Dad's got the perfect cleaning robot tools. First up, a shower spray. But wait, the mud's still there. Hey kids, what's Raccoon up to now? Will the water still spray out? Look, it's blowing up like a balloon. Raccoon's prank has backfired. Uh-oh.
No?
Can Dad fix it?
Yeah. Really?
Yay, it's working again. What's wrong, Lucy?
They are still dirty.
What should we use to clean them? I think that's right. Soap. Bubbles will blast that muddy mess away.
Yeah? Really?
After a good scrub, it's time for a rub. Shiny and sparkling, just like new. Look, Leo. And last but not least, Lucy's car. Oh no, the soap bottle's empty. Wait, why did Raccoon put ketchup there? Ketchup can't clean. It just makes a bigger mess. Now the car's even dirtier.
Meow. Ring.
Uh-huh. Dad's the ultimate car cleaner. He knows exactly what to do. Haha. Tomato blast. Now Raccoon's got a red ketchup head. Nice job, Dad. Oh no. Raccoon's causing trouble again. He really shouldn't press buttons when he doesn't know what they do. Everyone, watch out. Huh? Whoa, Dad bounced the bubbles back. How is that tiny sponge going to protect them? Yep, sponges soak up water, but now it's super heavy. Behind you, the rollers are coming. Let's go, kids. Time to sauce splat that raccoon away. Take aim and blast. Mustard, mayo, and spicy sauce too. Yay, we did it. And Raccoon's totally shocked. Literally, haha. Hey, what truck is this? Ew, it's all grimy, stinky, and smelly. Haha, it's a trash truck. That's what you get when you play messy tricks on others. Haha. Now everything's clean, and we can play again. Pretend play adventures are the best.
Looks like Leo's the bus driver today. Whoa, fast cars. This bus is too slow. No, Leo, the bus driver's being safe. Don't press it, Leo. Ah, it's transformed into a demon. No, red means stop. Leo, that's not safe. You're scaring people. Now you have to wait. What are you doing? You're not allowed on the sidewalk. Leo's a demon driver. Watch out! Stop the bus, Leo! You're dangerous! Oh no! Mom's boxes! Driving like this causes accidents. Full speed ahead! Leo, going fast isn't cool! No, girls, you don't want this bus. Yikes! Are you okay? Wow, good job, Dad. Oh no! You better start again. Stop right now! Ah! Hold tight, Leo! Try to stop it, Leo! Oh no! We broke the side mirror! Police officer, can you help? Leo, pull the bus over.
Stop the bus immediately.
Demon bus isn't listening. What's wrong? Uh-oh, bus can't see anything. It's out of control. Leo, quickly, get out. Oh no, it won't open. Go away, demon. We want Angel Bus back. Phew, police officers here. No more speedy races for you, Leo. I'm sorry.
Obey traffic rules, and your car will obey you.
That's right. Yeah, Angel Bus is back. Well done, Leo. Safe drivers are the best. Yeah.
That's an amazing sports car, Leo. Did you win? Yes, Leo's the champion. Uh-oh, it seems like Lucy might disagree. Oh no, that's not fair. Look at how gorgeous Lucy looks in pink. What do you think, Mom and Dad? I guess they are also fond of the color. Leo, Lucy doesn't prefer black. Lucy, what's your plan? What should we color? All finished. Leo, hop in. Ready? It's a pink versus black car challenge. Lucy's in the lead, but not for long. Uh-oh. Be careful, Lucy. Oh no, it's black paint. Uh-oh. Lucy's upset now. Seems like it's time for payback. Pink paint cloud attack. And the winner is... You crossed the finish line together. Yes, you're both winners. Black and pink together, haha. Just a jelly worm.
Oh, we're gonna build? Watch out, Leo. Yeah, good as new. Huh? Leo isn't allowed in the castle? Looks like he'll play with his ship instead. Wow, a big black ship. Yay, let's decorate a castle. Princess Lucy. Do you only want pink color for your castle? Pretty pink princess palace. Time to decorate your ship, Leo. A welcome mat? Your Blackbeard. What's it gonna be? Wow, a pirate mat. Where are you gonna put it?
My playhouse is back!
challenge time. Yeah, magical rainbow castle. First point to Lucy. It's okay. Stick it back up. I think Leo wants a point too. Is that a sail? Good idea. Wind too. All aboard. Ahoy, Pirate Leo.
My playhouse is taller.
Careful, Lucy. Not too much magic. Oh no, it's too tall. It's gonna topple.
Help me!
Leo, quick! Pull her aboard.
Thank you for saving me.
What's up? Oh no, watch out.
More sheep.
Oh, Leo, don't cry. Lucy's got a plan. Wow-wee! Look, Leo.
Now it's yours, Leo. Let's sail the ship together.
I'll come too.
Ella elevator, la 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 la. Ella elevator, ha 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 ha. Let's take the elevator to go up and down. Press the button, ding ding dong. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Please wait for elevator to open the doors. Ding 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 ding. You can come in. Wee. Let's go, let's go, 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 go. Ella elevator is coming, coming. Elevator's light is blinking, blink, blink, blink. Let's take the elevator to go up and down. Press the button, ding, ding, dong. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Please wait for elevator to open the doors. No, 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 don't rush, or you might get hurt. Wee! Let's go, let's go, 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 Ella elevator, la 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 la. Ella elevator, broke down. Don't be afraid, stay calm, calm, calm. Press the red button, ding, ding, dong. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Please stay calm and wait for help to come. Ding, 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 ding. You are safe now. Wee! You can go out, out, out. Ella elevator is so much fun. Ella elevator takes us up and down, up and down, up and down. Follow the rules to be safe and sound. La 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 la.